Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and use LoRA models for stable diffusions. So installing and using LoRA or long-range adaptations models with stable diffusions can enhance image generations with fine-tuned styles and character-specific details. And through this video, I'm going to help you install and use LoRA models in stable diffusion. So the first step, you need to install the stable diffusion first. If you haven't installed the stable diffusion yet, you can follow the steps in here. So first you can download and install the Python 3.10.6, this one. So don't use a new version but use this one. And you can just go to the python.org to download it. And after that, you can download and install Git from gitscm.com and clone automatic 1111 web UI repository. After that, you can just open the command prompt cmd and then run this one right here, the git clone. You can just copy this on the command prompt. And after that, you can just navigate to the folder cd stable diffusion web UI and download a stable diffusion model or checkpoint. You can download the model from CFit AI or Hugging Face. So here I'm using the CFit AI. You can just sign up first and then just sign in with your account to the CFit AI. So place the model.ckpt or save sensor file in this one's right here. I'm going to show you again this one, stable diffusion web UI /model /stable diffusions, and then run the web UI user.bat file windows or use this one and wait for it to install dependencies. And once done, the stable diffusions web UIs will open in your browser. Okay, now step 2, you can just download and install the LoRA model. You can visit the this one, the CFit AI, and search for LoRA model. So you can go to the models in here, model options. So after you on the models page, you can click on the filters in here and just click on the LoRA under the models types. Okay, after that you'll be shown the LoRA models options that you can get. So in here you can just download the saved sensor or PD file. For example, you can just find the models that you want. You can click on the LoRA models that you want to install and use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Then you can just click on the download options. And once it downloaded, you can move the LoRA file to the correct folder. So place the LoRA models inside the stable diffusions web UI models LoRA folder. And after that, you can just launch the web UI. So open the stable diffusions web UI and select a base model. So choose a compatible model from the drop down and enable LoRA. And after that, you can just manually add LoRA in the prompt. And you can just tap on generate and the LoRA model will modify the output. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.